Expected hazards
Unexpected?
include half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Royalton, Holdingford, Bolus, Rice, Little Rock, St. Wendell, Upole, and St. Stephen. This includes U.S. Highway 10. In Minnesota between mile markers 149 and 168. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is weather radio station WN.
Alright, we're turning the radios off for the night.